The Zoom H6studio delivers impressively clean audio with 32-bit float recording, making it very forgiving with sudden volume changes in real-world sessions. Having 8 available tracks and 4 combination microphone or line inputs with the included XY capsule gives plenty of flexibility for music, film, and podcast work without needing extra gear. Despite its studio-level capability, the recorder is compact and light enough to carry all day, so it suits location recording and travel projects very well. The color display and clearly laid out controls make it easy to arm tracks, adjust gain, and navigate menus even when you are working quickly on set. Battery power and the option to run from the included power adapter mean it performs reliably in both mobile and fixed studio setups. The bundled accessory pack, with its padded case, wind protection, and connection cables, turns the recorder into a complete grab-and-go kit for serious field recording.